Slipping over a mat can be quite common in many houses, and there can be many incidents or accidents that take place because of that. So for this today I am going to give you all a very simple solution. You all will need to take glue gun and then just place bit of the glue in parts. See that you all do not cover the whole mat at one stretch. You'll have to do this part by part so that in case if the glue happens to come out, it will not be gone from the full mat at one stretch. It will be like little by little is still there. Once you are done putting the glue all over the mat, thereafter you'll have to leave it to dry. Check if the glue is dried off well, else it would stick onto the flooring. Once it's dried, turn it over and then do the slip test. Your mat is now slip proof and ready to use. Do let me know in the comments section how did you all like this hack. For more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.